Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Rami and welcome to Rami DIY. In this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate your headlight on a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. I believe it's gonna be the same. Could be the same for Model S and X as well. So basically you go to service from the menu, then click adjust headlights, then it's gonna do this calibration. See here, wait for calibration, it's ready. And now get this pattern here, okay, and then you need to adjust. Now we're adjusting the left headlight by lowering or raising the headlight from the left wheel. I just need to lower them a little bit. Okay, I think that is good. Now switching to the right one by pressing the wheel once or choose right on the screen. Okay, and do the same, lowering it. You can also make it go right or left. Okay, I think that is enough. I'll take the left one a little bit to the left. Okay, done. And that's it. I'm gonna hit the road and test it and see if I have enough visibility and enough lighting. Just exit the menu and the full light will come on again. Well, that's all of it. Thanks everyone for watching.